Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you an update on the Rogers apartment building. Now this is currently the tallest building in Jamaica. It is 20 floors and it's located in Kingston. This is actually going to be the fifth tallest building in Jamaica very soon, and eventually it's going to be the sixth tallest building, because four towers at 28 floors each are being built in Montego Bay, and a hotel is being built on the north coast that's going to be over 20 floors. So this will be number 6. However, it will be the tallest building in Kingston because they have no approved plans. Well, there are no other buildings under construction that are going to surpass 20 floors. There are two buildings that are in the works, but they haven't started construction yet. One is the Ascent, which is going to be on Oxford Road in New Kingston. That's going to be 27 floors. And they have plans to build a 32-floor building by 77 Knutsford, where the old Wyndham Hotel used to be. But those plans, the construction of those buildings has not started yet. Okay, so this building is 20 floors. It's called the Rogers, and it's on Waterloo Avenue, just on the outskirts of New Kingston. It's going to be a residential building with 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, 3 bedroom, and penthouse units. I'm not sure what the sales are like. If anybody knows, you can leave a message in the comment section below. It is developed by Ripton Contracting Jamaica, and this building was to have been finished not a long time ago, but it should have been finished from 2020. I think it was the middle of 2024. But as you can see, it's moving. We're moving very slowly. Construction is moving very slowly, but it's still continuing. Not sure why it slowed down or they missed the deadline. And based on what we're looking at, we're probably looking at 2026 before this building is completed. So if anybody bought a unit here, you can give us an update as to when they said you can get delivery of the unit. And if anybody knows what's going on with the sales, are they sold out? Do they still have units for sale? Let us know. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.